What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another R1 build episode. What we're going to be doing today, it's a pretty simple mod. Not really a mod, we're fixing something. So I have the Graves R1 exhaust. It's a low mount for this bike. Picked it up used. Let me grab it real quick. Oh man, it's so light. So I picked the system up used, got a super good deal on it here locally, but the only downside is, can you see that end cap right there? It's a little scratched up. So I called up Graves, gave him a phone call, and I purchased a new end cap. For those of you wondering, this end cap is about $70, I believe it was. $70 to $80, not too expensive. Kind of is expensive actually for a little end cap. So what we are going to be doing today is swapping out the end cap on that system. Tomorrow's video is going to be actually installing the system onto the bike, and then we're going to have an exhaust comparison. This thing sounds incredible. I've seen plenty of other video clips on YouTube of this low mount system, and it sounds so insane on this cross plane motor. So I cannot wait to get it installed. I'm sure there's a lot of people wondering how to do this. So I'm going to take you guys along and show you exactly in depth, step by step on how to get this end cap swapped out. They also sent us all the rivets, so that's going to be super nice. I don't have to source my own rivets. I already have some here, but these look even nicer, so super glad they sent me these. Now the first thing we're going to do is drill off the stock end cap, or this damaged end cap here. So what I'm going to do from here, grab this flathead screwdriver and a rubber mallet. Just kind of tap the end cap off here. Simply pull it off from there. Now from here, as you can see, we have the packing. So if you want to replace the packing, you can, but this exhaust is nearly new. So I'm not going to bother with replacing the packing. But there's still a little piece of the rivet left on each of the holes. I'm just going to grab a set of needle nose pliers, pop that out of there. Alrighty, now we can grab our new end cap. Make sure the packing is going around that center hole and into the end cap. So as you can see, this end cap is not fitting. These diameters of these pipes right here are actually different. This one's quite a bit bigger, so it's not fitting inside the silencer itself. So I'm gonna have to go give Graves a call and see what's going on here. So I just got off the phone with Graves, explained the problem. They knew exactly what I was talking about. There's only one end cap to make for this low mount system. And they said all you have to do is either you can roll that little pipe diameter in, or you can flare it out a tiny bit. I don't have a way to roll it in at all, so I'm just gonna grab some pliers, flare it out a tiny bit, and it'll be able to slip right up in there. This is just freaking ridiculous. I'm about to throw this old end cap back on. I might just powder coat it, to be honest, guys. I'm gonna go give it a sandblast and try to smooth that out. See if I can smooth that out a little bit and just reuse this one. This is ridiculous. What is up, guys? It is now the next morning. I got so pissed off that end cap last night. I got it pretty much all. Here's the old end cap anyway, before I go on a rant again. But this thing's ready to go. I got all of the filler on there. It's actually just JB Weld, guys. I always use JB Weld to fix defects before I powder coat something. Little pro tip for you guys. But I have decided I'm gonna go back down to the shop and try to get this new end cap on before I start powder coating stuff. I'd rather have it just look factory. I've already paid the $80 for the new cap. So let's jump down to the shop and see if we can get this piece of crap and cap onto this Graves muffler.
Yeah, she from the Bay, oh yeah, she from LA. Girl, I'm from a place where the skies are like always gray. Yeah. Why you think I feel this way? Yeah, I swear my ace is all the same. Swear I don't need no more lanes. Swerving in and out of lanes. Swerving out of traffic miles. I will have my back, but I don't fuck with her no more. Yeah, ain't never sober. Yeah, find me where you were. Yeah, find me where it's gray. Hey. Yeah, the skies are always gray.
Wow. Finally got the end cap installed. If anyone from Graves is watching this, step up your shit, guys. We're paying $1,500 for a new system, and you guys don't make an end cap that fits it directly. You're gonna have to mod it out. That is kind of ridiculous in my opinion. But I finally got it. What I did, that screen inside the silencer, I kind of just like crunched the shit out of it, so I was able to slide the end cap on. Then when I got the end cap on, I went inside, can you see in there? And kind of just folded it back to where it should be. Whatever, it works, good enough. And then from there, I just riveted on the end cap. They send you rivets. Thumbs up on Graves for that, for sending the rivet, so that's nice. And then just use the rivet pliers to rivet the end cap right to the silencer. I'll have everything linked down below. I'll have the phone number for Graves if you guys need to purchase your own end cap. But this is kind of like a universal thing. Any end cap will be the same replacing. Step 1, drill the rivets. 2, take the old end cap off. 3, mod your muffler, I guess, to fit the new end cap. And then number 4, rivet the end cap on it and you are done. So I'll have the number to order this end cap from Graves if you need it, and then the, what are they called? I can't think of it. Oh, rivet pliers, whatever. The rivet tool down in the description box as well. So make sure you guys go check that out. As always, thank you so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's nothing cool, just replacing an end cap, but gotta do what I gotta do to get the system on the bike. Next video, we will be throwing the system on, so that's gonna be sick. Cannot wait to get it on. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.